Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make estimate format in Excel. Open a new workbook and set columns for item, quantity, unit price, and total. Enter sample lines to test formulas. Use simple formulas like quantity asterisk unit price for each total cell and SUM for the grand total. Apply currency format to price cells and use borders to separate sections. Save a template for repeat use to speed future estimates. Start by entering one formula for line total and copy it down through your items. Use absolute references when adding tax or discount rows so values stay correct. Apply currency formatting to price cells and percentage to any discount or tax rates. Use bold and borders to differentiate subtotal, tax, and grand total rows. Test by changing quantities to confirm totals update correctly and save as a template. In this video, I will help how to make estimate format in Excel. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with great sound and voice controls, perfect for background music while you build estimates. It fits neatly on a desk and responds to simple commands so you can stay hands-free. If this video helps, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Organize the top of the sheet with your company name, estimate number, and client details for clarity. Add a clear notes area for payment terms, delivery lead time, or warranty information so clients know expectations. Use freeze panes to keep headers visible on long lists and apply descriptive labels to each column to avoid confusion. Export to PDF when sending to clients to preserve layout and formatting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.